What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in today's video we are going to build some ads for a campaign in Zeropark. So let's dive in. Alright, so this is Gotcha, a affiliate network with a lot of different offers, and I already pre-selected one offer that we are going to focus on today. But first, let me tell you that you can still join the Deberoo suite by following the link below in the description or going to deberoo.com and sign up there. And you can join for free as long as the beta test is still on and make use of all kinds of awesome affiliate marketing software and tools and services. So make sure to go to deberoo.com and sign up for the free beta as long as you can. And maybe you can even get your pre-sale offer and get some nice discounts. So today we are going to focus on this offer right here. Actually, there are two of them, but basically it's going to be a McDonald's single opt-in offer where people might win a McDonald's gift card or a meal or whatever in return of a opt-in. So that's what we're going to focus on, and we are going to use Zeropark today. So let's dive right in and go build a new campaign on push, because we're going to promote on push, obviously. So here we have run a network, target, and source. If you have a white or black list you've created or you got from somebody or whatever, you can use source if you have a white list for source, or target if you have a white or black list for targets. But we don't have either, so we're gonna run on network, and let's give our campaign a name, McDonald's single opt-in. We're just gonna do classic push today, and the country I will show you right here is US, aka the United States of America. So that's where we're gonna run. There we go. That's fine. I'm not going to target any cities or whatever. All languages, that's fine as well. Suggested bid for the United States is 4 cents. So we're just going to apply that. And I want a daily budget of 50 bucks. That's fine. Unlimited campaign budget for now. That's fine. Source budget, I don't care. This is all fine. We're going to run on mobile only to start out with. And we'll see how that performs. And if we want to, we can always go to desktop later. Day parting, I don't care. Adult filter, it's not adult, that's fine. So let's get some creatives. So the dimensions that we want to use is 192 by 192. So let's open up Canva and start making those dimensions into a design so that we have that all ready to go. There we go. And now let's look for some images. So McDonald's, right? There we go. Images. All right. So what we want, ooh, this is awesome, an old school kind of McDonald's. I love that shit, with like burgers for 15 cents and shit. I love that, I love that. But this image, for example, is gonna be too small. And why? Because the image that eventually pops up in your window is gonna be very, very small. But maybe we can do something like this. Let me save this, we'll try around, all right? We are just going to try and see if we can make this work, because that will be a pretty cool angle. Let's see. Oh, that looks awesome. I love it. I love it. NC Donald's. All right, let's download this and make our first creative, and after that we will go back and find some more images. But first I want to create this sort of angle, to call it that way. Let's wait for the download to come in. Should come in any second now. There we go. Did it come through? Is this the one? No, that's not the one. Why did it not download? Well, let's just do it again then, I guess. All right. There we go. Awesome. Thank you very much, Canva. Okay, cool. So as you can see, this image get fairly small. You see that? This is probably already too small to work, so maybe we need to zoom in a little bit on that sign actually. Hello, thank you. So let's make this image bigger, and then we want to format that right way. Awesome. Now that looks awesome. Cool. That's probably going to be a little bit more clearer. Now it's a little bit bigger, so you'll get... it's easier to notice that it's actually about a McDonald's, right? I want that... Instead of that first creative, go away please. So let's kill this, drop it. Now that looks already better. And for this approach, for this angle, I want to do something like McDonald's celebrating birthday. Let's see. So do we have any restrictions? I think we cannot say free or, let's see, no wording of free, no imply instant wins, no COVID-19 related things, uses of brand names and or logos and or uncompliant flows are not allowed, blah, 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 blah. Okay, all right, that's all fine. Okay. So the descriptions, McDonald's celebrating birthday, your next meal is on us. And maybe we want to get some nice emoticons in here. So let's take a look. Food, please. I want some French fries. Can we do that, please? What is it? Okay. There's probably no more room. Let's try it here. Is it gonna work? No? Alright. Worth a shot. There we go. That looks awesome. Okay, cool. So we've got our first one. Let's look for another image. So we can do, so we have this classic one. Maybe we want to do a more modern sign as well to kind of split test those two. So let's go with, I do like this one since it's a very American style with the over 99 billion served, but the image quality is not as good as I want it to be. So let's see. It's pretty dope as well, but I'm not gonna get that in the right dimensions. This one, whoops, I meant the other one. Let's go back. This one. This one has very nice bright colors because the background is so dark blue that yellow M is popping off for real. So I really like that, and that will get a lot of attention. So let's split test that one against the classic one, the old one. So we're just gonna call this McDonald's 2. Download that. And there are two ways to kind of test your headlines and your descriptions. You can basically create all kinds of different ads, but what I like to do is this. Because now, when I start gathering data, and one of these two creatives are working better, I know that it's the image. So let me explain that. For example, they both have the same amount of impressions, but the newer sign is getting a lot better results than the old sign. Then I know, okay, it's not the headline, it's the image that is working better. And as soon as I know that, I can, for example, drop this old one and make more of the ones with the new sign. But then I'm going to change the headline. So then I tested these two images. I know which one is working better, the newer McDonald's sign. And now I'm going to test the headlines and see which headline is working better, or description, or combination of both. But first I want to test these images. That's my preference personally. So I'm going to test these two images, and the one that's working better, that's the better image. So when you would have a different headline here, then if this one is better performing, I don't know if it's because of the headline or because of the image. So that is the reason why I like to do it like this. Whoops. All right. So something else that we can do, let's first try to find another another image. Maybe a nice burger. Sure, we'll see how it performs. might get too small, but we'll take a look inside Zeropark what it looks like, and we'll go from there. All right. So this is going to be McDonald's 3. There we go. We're going to download that. Go back into Zeropark. Is it downloading? What is wrong with Canva today, for real? Preparing your design, all right. Waiting for the download. You see that? It's not working. I don't know what's wrong with Canva today. Come on, bro. Give me the picture. Actually, that's better. Come on. Work with me here. Work with me. Waiting for canva.com. Alright, you know what? I don't think it's gonna work. Let's drop it like this. Okay, whatever. It's not gonna work, guys. It's not gonna work. I don't know why Canva doesn't work with me here today, but you get the gist of it. So this image, let's try it one more time. Nope, it's just not working. Maybe it's in my download files. No, it's not. Okay, all right, whatever. So let's just pretend that this is a different image, the burger one that I just showed you, and we can do this. We can turn this around. So maybe this is working better. So instead of McDonald's celebrating birthday, your next meal is on us, it's gonna be your next meal is on us, McDonald's celebrating birthday. So I can test these two different angles and see what is better performing, because maybe this is better as a headline than McDonald's celebrating birthday, right? So I gather some more data and I gather some more intel on what seems to be working and what seems not to be working. Let's get one more image in, if we can. We are all in this together, okay? All right, sure, whatever. Let's see what else we can find. Ooh, this is dope. I love those old school McDonald's, for real. I'm born in the wrong time, I'm sure. All right. Cool, 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 cool. Ooh, isn't that McRib a thing? McRib, awesome. All right, cool. So maybe, sure. Let's try this. So the McRib, if you haven't heard about it, it's a huge thing because it's a temporarily kind of burger thing from McDonald's. Sometimes they have it, sometimes they don't. I believe some stores have it 24/7, but most of them will not have it. So sometimes the McRib comes back and then it goes again. But basically it's a huge... there's a huge kind of rage about it because they apparently are delicious, and since they're temporarily, everybody's going crazy when it's back. So that might be a huge opening for a good marketing strategy for us if we are promoting a McDonald's offer. So this image is not going to work. It's too big and not squared, so I cannot get it in the right dimensions, but maybe we can get something else. So let's see, McDonald's McRib. That's right, that's what I want. Okay. But I want a good picture, right? So most of these pictures, this is an awesome picture, but I can't get that in the right dimensions. But if I look at this picture, it just looks fucking disgusting, right? So I want a good, tasty looking McRib, please. Okay, I cannot really find the perfect image that I'm looking for. The legend returns, awesome. do like that image. So this is more like it. More like it. Yeah, perfect. I like it. Let's download that, and then we go back into Canva, see if it's gonna work with us today. Okay, I'm gonna do this myself. Kabam. Alright, that looks pretty cool. Mac rib. Cool. So this is a complete different approach, right? So this is going to be a different angle that we're going to take on this ad, on this creative. And is it going to download or not? There must be something wrong with Canva or something. I don't know. Very, very strange. Nope, it's not gonna work. Okay, so just imagine that there's a MacRib here. Once again, I don't know what's wrong with my Canva or if there's something wrong with my downloading files, whatever. But imagine there's a MacRib here and we're gonna create a different angle on this McDonald's offer. So let's say MacRib is back. Or even better, get your MacRib today. Let's get another burger sign in there. There we go. McDonald's offers you a MacRib. All right. So that is a complete different approach on the same offer. And obviously when they win the McDonald's gift card or whatever it is, they would still have to go to a McDonald's restaurant, and not all McDonald's restaurants will have the MacRib available, obviously. But this is a smart way of marketing a popular trend within the branch or niche that you are promoting. So in this case, McDonald's MacRib is such a trending, huge thing that it's perfect for marketers like us to use it in our ads, which is exactly what we're going to do today. And then we would split test all the different creatives with all the different images, where most of them you cannot see it because Canva won't download, but you've seen them in this video. So we want to split test all these different creatives, and then we get some data on it to observe and optimize on. And then basically we want to, on top of that data, with that data, we want to create the perfect creatives with the highest ICTR. So that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget to check out the Deberoo suite. Go to Deberoo.com and sign in for the free beta and use your free software affiliate marketing tools, or follow the link straight below this video in the directions, in the description I mean, and follow that link and sign up for the Deberoo suite beta for free and make use of awesome affiliate marketing software and services. That's going to be it for this one. I will catch you next time. Until then, peace out.